Hello, this video presents the introduction to Vendor Café for contractors and subrecipients with an agreement with the Puerto Rico Department of Housing. Vendor Café is a platform free of charge, used by entities with agreements with the Puerto Rico Department of Housing. The portal allows to manage from the same place your profile as a supplier, create and submit invoices, stay informed of the payment process and transactions carried out by the designated personnel in your company. To access Vendor Café, use the link shown at the bottom of the page. An important disclosure. For security reasons, neither the CDBG-DR Puerto Rico Department of Housing staff nor the HORN staff can access the vendor's profile, nor are they authorized to make any changes to them. The CDBG-DR program requires that contractors and/or subrecipients register their profile in Vendors Café to be approved by the Puerto Rico Department of Housing. The entity must submit the following forms. Form A, New Vendor Request. Vendors should provide basic company information like addresses, phone number, DUNS number, tax ID, etc. Form B, EFT Authorization Form. In this form, the vendors provide their bank account information. There is a limitation of one bank account by vendor. The Puerto Rico Department of Housing generates an electronic fund transfer as a payment for all approved invoices. Form C, Authorized Signature Form. In Form C, the vendors provide information to the Puerto Rico Department of Housing about its entity's personnel authorized for making the following tasks: signing the contract agreement, signing invoices, or having access to the supplier's bank account information. An important disclosure. Submitted invoices should be signed by a previously authorized personnel, or they will be rejected. A void check or a letter from the vendor's financial institution should be submitted confirming the information provided in Form B. Updated insurance certification. A COI or Certificate of Insurance should be submitted to the Puerto Rico Department of Housing. This general liability insurance policy should include the following endorsements: the Government of Puerto Rico, the Puerto Rico Department of Housing, and HUD, U.S. Housing and Urban Development. The workers' compensation policy from the Puerto Rico State Insurance Company should be directed to the Puerto Rico Department of Housing and must include the current period payments and the specific vendor's contracted services. This is how users will see the Vendors Café homepage. Find the main menu at the left side of the screen. It goes from the Vendors Profile section to the Sign Out option. By clicking on the Vendors Profile section, several options will appear. One of them is the Contact option, used to add users to the vendor's profile. That function is exclusive to the vendor's designated system administrator. The Document section is used to attach forms required by the program, like a Form C amendment or an updated COI, etc. Another important section is the Insurance Information one. Remember that all insurance policy should be updated annually. Use this section to provide the new policy information.